automatically we better the position of the tongue, flattens the tongue, relax the muscles, open the pass of the air, less turbulence, less snoring. Simple solution, very effective. This device is long-lasting, is your size, is hard rigid, never breaks up, and really effective. So no need to go to so many devices, items, merchandising are in the market for snoring control. Maybe there are thousands, but I promise you no one helps. Mine really, sorry to say, really helps because I have the experience for so many patients being treated before. Thank you so much for your attention.